Welcome to this pseudo-professional cooking video. I will be demonstrating one of my favorite things to make and eat, spaghetti alla vongole. I most definitely chose it for this video for the reason that I like it and not because Italian dishes are easy to make it seem like I know how to cook when I really only kind of do. The ingredients necessary are as follows. Garlic. In general, 3 cloves, but this dish isn't exactly the strictest, at least not when I make it. Chili. Half a chili is probably a safe bet, but again use however much you like. Fettuccine. Yes, this is spaghetti alla vongole, but this is what happens when you run out of spaghetti and then realize you don't have any linguine either when you thought you did. Clams. The cameraman despised that I use these hideous detailed clams, but I preach convenience. A handful of parsley. No more than that because it's very easy for it to overpower the dish, especially if you include the stems. Lastly, white wine. I don't really have a measurement for this, I just used the glassful to be fancy. Cut the garlic. Not like me, cut it better. I'm not very good at it. It doesn't need to be cut finely, I just choose to do so because I find the flavor to be more consistent in the completed dish. Then cut the chili. Again, I try to do it as finely as I am bothered to make it for the same reason as the garlic. Last thing to cut is the parsley. Whether you include the stems is up to you, I just don't like wasting food. Start boiling some water for the pasta. Put salt in the water until it tastes like the ocean. If you think you added too much salt, you are wrong, add more. Then, place the fettuccine in the boiling water very slowly because fettuccine comes in individual balls unlike spaghetti, which would have made this process much faster. Normally I cook everything in one pan, but for the sake of the video I'm cooking everything else in another one. Add around 3 tablespoons of olive oil to the pan, and once it's hot, add the garlic and the chili together. Get them to sweat, which vaguely means not cooked but sizzling. Then, after a few seconds, add the clams, and I mean every single last clam, even that one that doesn't come out of the bowl because it's stuck after sitting there for an hour. Cook everything in the pan for a minute or so, shaking the pan so that you feel like you know how to cook, and then add the white wine. The white wine takes a long time to boil off, so wait patiently until it's nearly all gone. Once that happens, transfer the pasta to the pan and toss it around, adding the parsley short after. That's it. Does it look amazing? No. Does it taste amazing? No. But may the student surpass the teacher.